In this video, I'm going to show you the best way that you can add music to your video in Canva. So there are a couple of ways that you can do this. The second way I'm going to show you is the method I usually use. The first way, however, involves going to Elements, and then you can go ahead and find the Audio tab. So if you go to Browse Categories, you can find Audio, or you can go ahead and search for it. Inside of Audio, you can go to Magic Recommendations and click See All, and you can use any of these recommendations. And you can just simply drag the music onto the timeline and you'll be able to preview it and play it. If you want more choice of hundreds of thousands of tracks, go to Google and type in royalty-free music. Once you've done that, you can head over to pixabay.com. Here, once you're on the music tab, you can select over 240,000 free tracks which are royalty-free, which you can use. You can go ahead and search for any of these categories or search for any music that you need. I'm going to search for vacation. Here you can preview on the left the track that you might want, as well as click through any of these categories. To download the song, click download on the right, and then you should see the track download, and it will head into your downloads folder. Once it's in your downloads folder, you can then head over to Canva, click on uploads, then click upload files. Then go and find the file. So here is my MP3 file, which we can open. We can then find that in the upload section. Again, you can just drag it onto your track. One thing I would recommend is clicking on the music track, going to volume and bringing the volume down to about 15%. And that is how you can add music to a video on Canva.